Hi, I would just like to give you this very brief introduction to this marvelous website, Edmodo. I was shown this website last year and used it briefly and realized the potential of it. However, this year I have decided to use it 100% in my classroom as the primary LMS and PLM for my preparatory class, which involves 22 students. 2 months in, and it is now firmly in the minds of the students to be using it regularly. They are 14 years old, and getting them to move off of Facebook is difficult enough. However, with this website, it looks like Facebook, and the kids are now totally into it. So let's go to it and see how it looks, and I'll show you how to basically do it. So you're signing in, and of course you're here as a teacher or a student. You'll sign up as a teacher and you'll sign in. I've already signed up, so now I just log in, and the sign up process takes about 2 minutes. So here is our web page. You look here across the top, searching for anything on the page. This is my own profile page, so it looks very like Facebook, as you can see. Here we have to leave a special little note, to alert the kids to anything that you strongly want them to go and do. Here is of course an assignment, which is something that adds extra images to the screen. A quiz, which is a new addition, which is just marvellous. It's one of the easiest. I'm going to show you that later. And a poll for getting feedback on anything that you do. And if you look down here, you can see how much it looks like Facebook, with kids talking. Here is my colleague speaking to students, Doric and him having a bit of a laugh, looking down here, reminding them of a website and the activity that they're doing. And here is in fact the video that we're using, because they're doing a subtitle activity tomorrow, and they've been working on that for Shrekless, so that's been a very exciting activity. And here Mr. Ramsey is giving them the subtitle title again, just in case they have lost their own. Of course this girl here has, so again you can see how wonderful this is, because we can resubmit anything to the students. We've got this boy here who's giving us information that internet has gone from this, and that's why this has come so late. He's right, he's telling us that, but now it's back on 5 hours after it went off. Okay, so this is the introduction to Edmodo. How do you actually upload a file? You type in here, for example, hi kids, just want to say my internet is back on. Oh, terrible spelling. Is back on. And you add a file like so. And what picture would I like to put on picture? Let's just see. Go to my pictures, and we'll take a down here, my dog. Put in here. And here is the name of the class, which I've already called, because I've invited all the students before and given them a code. You type on here. And you see my internet is very, very slow, but it's uploading, and it is, there you go. And you have it there. That's taken me about 25 seconds to do that. And there you have a file ready for the kids to reply to, respond to, whatever you want. I'm sure you can admit it's an excellent website. Next one, I will show you how to make a quiz.